Dear students, today I am going to introduce you with the novel Pride and Prejudice by Jane Austen. First of all, I will give you the brief introduction of the writer Jane Austen. Then I will introduce you with the principal characters of the novel. And finally, I will tell you in brief the summary of the novel. Though I have taught you this novel in detail, but today I am going to post a video that will give you a peep into the novel. Jane Austen, born in 1775 and died in 1817, has rightly been called as pure novelist who presents the true account of country society she knew well within her limits of art. She simplified and refined the English novel by turning it a true reflection of English society and life. She contributed realism to English novel in the age of Romanticism. Her literary output includes the novels Pride and Prejudice, written in 1813, Sense and Sensibility, written in 1811, Northanger Abbey, written in 1798, published in 1818, Mansfield Park in 1814, Emma in 1816, Persuasion in 1818. Now I am going to introduce you with the principal characters of the novel. As you people know, the story of the novel revolves around the Bennet family, and who comprises 7 people: Mr. Bennet, Mrs. Bennet, and their 5 lovely daughters. Mr. Bennet, he is the head of the family, the father of the family, a rare blend of sense, humor, and reserve. And another character is Mrs. Bennet, the mother of the Bennet family, but she is a very insensible woman, not as intelligent as her husband, but she is highly concerned with the fate of her daughters and wants to get married at the earliest with eligible bachelors. Next character is Jane Bennet. She is the eldest daughter of the Bennet family. She is most charming among all and she is admired by all. Another is Elizabeth Bennet, the second eldest daughter of the Bennet family. She is the heroine of the novel. She is the, you can say, cynosure of all eyes, or you can say she is one of the best heroines created by Jane Austen. She is so virtuous and so full of life and vigor and so lovable that everyone falls in love while interacting with her, and she is the, you can say, star of this novel. Next, there are 3 sisters, Catherine, Lydia, and Mary, the younger daughters of the Bennet family. They are not necessary in the novel, but they add charm to the novel. Next is Mr. Charles Bingley, the neighbor of the Bennet family. He is a young bachelor and hails from London and comes there in order to live at Netherfield Park, that is adjacent to them, and he is there to give good company to the family. He is accompanied by his 2 sisters, Miss Bingley and Mrs. Hurst, and Mrs. Hurst and her husband, and Mr. Fitzwilliam Darcy. He is the hero of the novel. He is Mr. Bingley's friend, and he accompanies by Mr. Bingley to the Longbourn, and he is the, you can say, the hero of the novel. And no doubt in the beginning there is distance between the hero and the heroine. Ultimately they get engaged and married in the end of the novel. Next is Mr. and Mrs. Gardiner. They are Mr. Bennet's brother and sister-in-law. Next is Lady Catherine. She is Mr. Darcy's aunt, and she is a very haughty and rude woman, and she is overpowering and self-assuming woman and misbehaves with, you can say, the people who hail from lower class or middle class family. And she has a daughter whose name is Miss de Bourgh, and she is equally haughty like her mother. Next is Mr. William Collins, a distant relative of Mr. Bennet. As you know that the family, Bennet family, has no real son to inherit the property, so their property will go to Mr. William Collins, and he will inherit the fortunes of the family. Last and not the least is Mr. Wickham. He is a military man, and he is the villain of the novel, gifted with very pleasing personality, but beguiles people by his bad means. He is a spoiled person, and play a very bad role in the novel.